Hi, I'm Jerry Dill at Dill's Greenhouse. We're back in our injector room. It's very important that our plants grow evenly, they're well fertilized, and the water is correct. We can't be haphazard about that, so this is where we mix our fertilizer tank. We put about 50 pounds of fertilizer in this tank, and then we set the injector to, this is the injector, and when we're watering, it'll suck the water out of that tank, it'll mix it in with our regular water, and it'll go out into the greenhouses. We fertilize real lightly, but we fertilize all the time. So we're not putting on a heavy dose, a real light dose, but a constant feed. We also have 2 wells, so we have well water. Our well water is not ideal for growing plants, so we have to adjust the pH of that by actually adding acid into the injector also. So it's real critical that we watch all these things. If not, then we'll have a bunch of plants that grow unevenly, and we can't do that. So that's how we do it.